Okay, so let's speed this up a bit. We're gonna play a little bit quicker, speed it up, and we're gonna see me play just faster. You might want to slow it down. Also, there is this where they're all locked right now, but if you could like play an ad to claim all of them. These are like the ups. But now let's play and um look, I'm gonna go eat him. Also, there's pumpkins as the things. Also, if you run into walls, then you'll also die, unfortunately. Oh, just found the ground. Okay, let's get this guy. He's he's not that good. Let's get it. Let's get that guy too, sure. And let's eat all this food. Yeah, get all of it. Oh, this guy's stealing my food. Let's get the small snake. It's better. It's kind of hard to get back to that small snake. But we might get the bigger guy. He's probably more worth it. But here's the small snake. Let's try and kill him. Come on. Wait. Oh, let's circle both of them. That's really good. You see, the guy's already, like, in fear. He's circling around himself. If he did charge into the exit, that means I might die. Because, that means, like, when I'm moving, he might, I might run into him, for the game physics. The small guy just killed the big guy. Sometimes that does happen. Yeah, if you ever are in circle and there's another guy with you, try, like, killing them so you can get bigger, and then, you have a better chance of fighting back. Okay, you see he's running right here. I'll try not to get his tail. Okay, this is gonna be hard, but he just forfeited, kinda. He ran into my side. Okay, now we're kinda big. Should we take the bounty? Oh no, tight squeeze! Come on. Let's go. Let's not take the extra life, they're kinda useless. But, pass the aisle. Let's find the Juja gate. Can we? Huh, can't. Oh, we can't. Okay, let's fly. Also, sometimes if you're quick enough, as in Juja, you can eat your own, like, food, like your own body. And also there's a honey jar, top right corner, where, that's, like, how much food you've eaten. So, I'd like to knock, let's get that guy. Well, there's lots of guys, actually, but let's try and get him. Oh, yeah, that's good, die. Okay. Oh, no, we're dead. Come, okay, we're back. Okay, so, let's do this. Okay, let's go fast. Yeah. Let's eat them. Let's quit eating them, bro. They don't really do good. Let's sell on these guys. Oh, yeah, let's sell. Oh, come up. Oh, my god, that guy almost ate me. If you want to eat the mouses quickly, you can, like, double click really fast, but make sure you, like, hover above the ground, too, to eat them faster. I just got killed. Let's go again. Okay, back in the layer now. Coins. More coins. Okay, so what should we do now? Let's change our skin to something. I think we have better stuff than this. Oh, yeah. Oh, those. I like the one at the top. Yeah, that one. So. Okay, so let's try team play. Yeah, I've done in a while. Let's play. Let's go. Oh my god.